Temperatures are cooling, the leaves are changing, and the bright autumn colors are coming about. Today I'm sharing my fall home decorated for this season with simple, classic touches of natural elements that I so love in my simple home in small space. As you enter the home, there are some pumpkins and some mums and just some unique shapes and colors of beautiful creations that God has made through gourds and pumpkins. And as I take you into my home, I will just share that I'm not going to talk a lot. I always like doing my tours of just listening to music and watching the decor in my home. Most of the items in my home are thrifted, secondhand, passed down from other generations, and so I'll also be sharing a blog post about my simple, natural fall home decorated for the season. And I live in a small home with 950 square foot, so I keep it pretty minimal and just with things that I love bringing into my home and sharing with my family and those who enter. So enjoy my tour of our living space and kitchen area created for the season. As we enter the kitchen space, you will see on the center of the table is a beautiful flower arrangement that was gifted to me from an older church lady after she used it as an arrangement in the church for Sunday services. So I am adding that to my decor because why not? It's beautiful, it's got the fall touches, and I just love it in my home for the time that it lasts. It was actually made by one of our other church members and his new up-and-coming flower business.